Assalamu alaikum. We are HCI experts from CS and IT department, University of Sargodha. Today we will tell you that what is user-centered design, why it has become so important, what are the some main principles that should be followed to make a user-centered design, and some techniques through which we can involve users. First, if we focus on the name of this approach, then users mean the one who will use the product and centered means based upon. So user-centered design is an iterative software development approach in which users are involved throughout the development process to make the product more and more usable. Here usable means the user can perform his task and operation with more efficiency and less effort. After this, a question arises in our mind that why it has become so important. The answer is because it can give us many benefits. It can reduce the training cost as the product will be easier to understand by user. Also, it improves the quality of life of users as it reduces stress and the product is according to their needs, so they will be more satisfied. And one more benefit, it can increase the productivity of user and organizations because the user will enjoy the product and will be familiar to the product. There are three principles that you should follow while make your product best to use. Number 1, early focus on user and task. Before making any product, identify that who will be the user, study their culture, behaviors and attitudes. Number 2 is empirical measurement. This can be done by making prototypes and simulations of your product and let the user to try it. Then, measure their procedures, reactions and user experience. Last one is iterative design. If there are some problem in user testing, then solve these and again let the user to test this. If again problems arise, then repeat the process. Now, how to involve users in the development process? It can be done by doing interviews, questionnaires, observations and studying documentation. Interview is a direct conversation between the developer and the stakeholder through which requirements can be gathered. It also helps to make user feel involved in the development process. Questionnaires are written questions in form of paper, emails or pop up on websites that help to analyze user. Observations can be of two types. First is direct observation, in which the natural way of doing a task of user is observed. Number 2 is indirect observation. When a product is developed from an existing product, then its previous analysis of user will be observed. Last one is studying documentation. It is the easiest way to understand the background and legislation of the work. That's all for it. Thank you for watching.